Hey, to connect SteelSeries Arctis Nova 5 wireless with your iPhone, first of all, on your iPhone you will have to just navigate into the settings. Then you will have to go to the Bluetooth and simply turn on the Bluetooth. Now you will have to grab your headphones, turn them on by using this power button. So click and hold it for a few seconds. There we go. When this indicator starts blinking, you can try to press on this button. And inside you will hear 2.4 mode. It will actually turns green, but when you tap on it one more time, it will turns blue. And it will actually get notification about the Bluetooth pairing. Now, when this indicator is blinking quickly, all you have to do is just to grab your iPhone, and now on the other devices list, you can find your headphones. If it doesn't appear right here, just simply restart the Bluetooth by clicking on this switcher. Then to connect them, tap on them once. And now we are successfully connected. Next, we can also get the SteelSeries application. So click here on the search, input this phrase, the SteelSeries. You can even search for Arctis Nova 5. And here is the application that we will have to download. So click to get. Now we have to just install it. And after you input your password to the Apple account, you can find this downloading process. As you can see, the circle is actually moving, and now we can finally open it. So just open it, accept all of this Bluetooth permissions and everything that will pops on your screen, and now click to pair new device. Click to pair again if you get this pairing request. You don't have to click on this start pairing, but we can try to do this actually, because for some reason it doesn't actually move us into another screen. And as you can see, here it is. Now we can also use some other options like the equalizer, the microphone. There's like a lot of options that we can simply use. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.